All right. So please, let's hear.
I am Uja Endurance. Welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina, which encompasses lifestyle, travel, and entertainment. It's going to be inspiring, motivating, captivating, and intriguing. Please subscribe to my channel. It's a bye for now.
Record label. Record. Action.
Hello guys, I am Uja AJ Roots and welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina, which encompasses lifestyle, travel, and entertainment. It's going to be inspiring, intriguing, motivating, and also captivating. Please guys, go subscribe to my channel. It's a bye for now. Bye.
All right, let's hear it out.
And welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina, which encompasses lifestyle, travel, and entertainment. Mr. Shima, but this clothes I'm wearing is okay, but
You're not even posting the video. You're not posting it.
I'm not posting the video.
Are you posting this video?
Am I not?
You want to post it?
I don't know, I'm not posting it.
It's rehearsals.
Okay, these rehearsals.
Okay, let's hear it.
Okay, it's a rehearsal. Okay, I'm not posting it. So when am I posting the video?
Let's finish the rehearsals.
Oh, we do Monday.
Don't worry, let's finish the rehearsals.
Hello guys, I am Uja AJ Roots and welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina. It encompasses lifestyle, travels, and entertainment. It's going to be mind-blowing, inspiring, intriguing, and also motivating. Please guys, go subscribe to my channel. It's a bye for now.
Please, let's hear it. Somebody do your head. This is your head.
Welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina. It encompasses lifestyle, travels, and
So now, sometimes
it's
you
going to be
can remove this
mind-blowing,
mic.
inspiring,
You can put this on
intriguing,
there.
and also motivating.
You can find
Please
some.
guys, go subscribe to my channel. It's a bye for now. Bye.
There's too much power on your place.
Me? Too much power on my what?
Please,
Place.
please.
Okay, okay, there's too much power.
Like, your place should be sexy, please.
Okay. Like I'm needing them to go follow and then
Your place should be more sexy.
please.
Yeah. And please,
Okay.
please. You know that place that when you say to the man will just melt. Hmm?
Leave me alone.
No. That's kind of place you need to use, eh? Your new word. It's a please, please, please. Hello, guys. We're in the studio trying to cook some things. You know, as you can see, we are all busy in the office, so I will not be here to be talking to you, but once in a while, I'll just come and say hi to you and then go do what I'm
Okay,
doing.
like you see now.
I have somebody there and I have another person
we
here.
have different
We are
actors and
busy
actresses
in the
on
studio, all right?
And then what
So,
makes the
one
whites
love.
more different from us is because they come natural. They don't pretend, they don't try to overdo or overhype themselves while they're on set. And that's why I tell Mr. Shima, where I'm coming from, I don't overstress myself. Because this, you trying to like, okay, hello guys, it makes it more natural than you trying to. So that's why you see all along, I've been trying to, see, I
don't know what to say or what to do. I'm a very gentle person, a very soft person, you know. So trying to do things, it doesn't work for me. And then when you're natural, people tend to know that I don't want to be breaking the content when I'm not what I say or portray in my first introduction. It doesn't work that way. So I could still be quiet, and then I could still do
So
it.
do you have any issue with that?
No, I'm just no. It's not the place. I was doing the. So just let me be, and then because one of the things that they said, and then my gesticulation and my reaction to it.
So no, I should allow you to be yourself. I should allow you to be yourself.
Hello guys, I am Uja Age Roots. Welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rishina, which encompasses lifestyle, travels, and entertainment. It's going to be intriguing, mind-blowing, motivating, and also captivating. Please guys, go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So okay, now you said something that I should allow you to be yourself. Now,
I'm not going back to back.
see, you know, we are your audience. For now, these are your audience. We are the people that are going to give you feedback. You know, you can get feedback from yourself, but it's the one that people give you. That's the most important thing.
Lifestyle,
Do you get?
travels, and entertainment. It's going to be intriguing, mind-blowing, motivating, and also captivating. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube.
But now your place is calm now. Is it not calm? Me, I did not notice it though. But he noticed it.
Okay, that's why I have to. No, you know I've been doing the normal place, but what you say, putting more live.
You have to put it because your program is a program that has to do with life.
Yeah.
You must be live. Like you have there's this rugged life inside of you. So you live the cool life of you. You bring that ruggedity inside of you and present it to us here. That's the person we want to see.
Hello guys.
Forget a gentle Queen Rashina. No, we're not doing.
This is YouTube. This is videos for YouTube.
Yes.
So why is she doing portrait?
No. We're just testing.
Okay, testing the machine.
So guys, we're here.
No.
No, sit. Don't stand. Please comment. Let's know where you're watching us from.
Doing YouTube video should have been landscape. Portrait is for Facebook and TikTok. We should do tap on TikTok.
Hello guys.
Tap.
I am Uja Agerut and welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina, which encompasses lifestyle, travels, and entertainment. It's going to be mind-blowing, inspiring, motivating, and also captivating. Please guys, go subscribe to my channel. Your mom? What did you do?
In the computer age. All right. So,
That's it.
are you okay with that one?
Let's see, it's not in the direction.
Please.
Okay. It's going because I was struggling to.
You have to stand. Hello guys, I am Uja Agerut and welcome to my channel. It's a program where I tag moments with Rashina, which encompasses lifestyle, travels, and entertainment. It's going to be mind-blowing, inspiring, motivating, and also captivating. Please guys, subscribe to my channel.
So, you see. Now, we're done with that one.
Okay, so
What are we going to do next now? Pam 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 pam. Hey, Me too, I need this water. Thirsty. Esther.
You drink?
Let-
Oh,
let
it's
me-
warm. It's warm water.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Damn. So now we're done with that one. So now it's to create your YouTube channel now.
I have my YouTube channel.
Okay. You have it here.
Yes, sir.
Open it, let's see. It's not here.
No, it's still there. I'm using both phones. Everything on this is here. I'm using same WhatsApp.
No, it's
Remember that thing we did when
so now you need to download it. Kada na yine Instagram'dan da
So it's just one WhatsApp I'm using.
if you decide to use one.
No, for now, I will later, but for now. So this one, the main reason for this phone is because of this YouTube, videos and the rest. But I still, if message comes in, it goes here. And then my Twitter is here, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Snapchat. Everything right here. Who buy your water now?
And somebody's making this. There's a lady downstairs. Great day. What are you down? Show me credit again. What dog? So now I'm going to create something for you. Something like this. Something like this. That's it. That's the night. That's the night of it. So maybe something like this for you. Just download the app. You have CapCut. So this is the guy that teaches all the training about editing and about. He's a pro. He's a pro. So that's what he is. Okay. So now let's continue this. So now in that group, if you have any question about it, write them. I want you to write description. Like just the same way that you said. Just write it down. After that you no, just start from I am. There's no this one. No need to tell you. You can say you are from where you are.
Oh boy.
You can tell them your profession, who you are, what you do.
Okay. But I can copy and paste here.
Yes. But I'll need to see it before you.
Yes, sir.
do the final verdict. Hello guys.
It's busy morning.
It's a beautiful morning here in the beautiful country Nigeria, West Africa. It's a beautiful place, and we are at the studio trying to cook some things in the studio to bring to you wonderful, lovely, sweet, good looking videos. Aww. All right, before I continue, I need to take water. Some of you are seeing this for the first time. This is what they call sachet water. All right, sachet water. I will mix. This is sachet water, and when you don't want to drink bottled water, you use.
It's, yes, I have a system. Hope you know you can use that thing as a system.
This.
Yes. Like I'm using it right now.
So this is sachet water. I'm taking it.
I'm coming here on Monday. Because tomorrow I'll be busy. Sure, you're coming here on Monday.
Sure.
I'll come on
What are you doing tomorrow?
I should do a video on this.
Okay, I can still come tomorrow.
Are you going for a wedding?
No, I want to take that car
Because the
for car wash.
woman, I found I think I just tried it. I will get you an answer.
I don't know.
I think that should be my next video. Oh God, it's not easy. The life of someone who does
No, the life of a content creator
content creator.
is not easy.
Oh,
Before you make this money online, you must sweat too. Because the stress, moving from one place to another, doing this one, doing that one.
let me now. See, my head is aching. I didn't sleep well because even in my sleep, I was just thinking, what am I doing?
My brother, take it easy.
Doing today. I started this video yesterday. I say I must finish today.
But what's the story about the video?
Story about
This video you are creating, what's the story about?
story.
Yes. You just singing.
Don't worry. My wife will soon start looking for cartoon.
But bring one, let me sing one song so that they will give me credit. Oh, baby, don't cry.
Okay.
Oh, baby, don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. Mommy loves you. Oh, baby, don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. Daddy loves you. Oh, baby, don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry.
Are you okay?
I'm singing now. That's how I sing for my son.
I can imagine.
So, as you are creating children's video here,
Mm.
I will be one of the musicians, like children musicians. I'll be honest. And this one no good.
No,
If a child is here listening to this song, the child will not cry again. Listen. Oh, baby, don't cry. Oh, Nedevanga. Oh, Nedevanga.
okay, then
We are creating women here.
come on, say.
Wanna?
So just again, think of creating intro and outro. Bible subject. Any other one? Get video like back up one and say machine.
This kind of work where you carry. Make sure you finish it though.
No,
Take it to the next level. Because children's videos, they normally get views. And then they don't watch like this at all. Like, they will skip. Once they love it, they will just be watching it.
Charm about my
Hey kids, come on in to the K-Tunes Kitties TV land, where the fun never ends and the adventures are
Shut up
always
before
grand.
you have a grab.
Colorful
Yeah,
characters
yeah,
to
nah.
meet and
Follow
stories.
upload it because who will live on YouTube? Yeah. Hi, bro. I'm like Chukumamvo. Are you done?
No, just one. I want to copy this. I just fixed. Instagram. This is where I put the original.
Come on in to the K-Tunes Kitties TV land.
Is it a comment?
No, I
Hey kids, come on in to the K-Tunes Kitties TV land.
Yes, Jesus.
Hey kids, come on in to the K-Tunes Kitties TV land.
Yeah, come and see it now. I'm done.
Let me see. You need to reduce it. It's too
I
plain.
just want you to. I'm going to
Best-
remove. Yes,
remove
I'm
that
going to
best.
remove those ones. Look forward in connecting. I love learning and meeting new people. I look forward to connecting to you. I was more humanitarian. Let me read it out. My name is Uja Eju Roots, a mass communicator by academic qualification, model and pageant coach by profession. I'm a young lady with high proficiency in three basic languages, English, Idoma, and Yoruba. My strong passion for humanity led to the formation of, I shouldn't put down, Unity Care Foundation for Orphans and Widows, which I am the CEO, registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. I removed that one. Founded with the goals to improve, to help provide the basic resources required to meet the needs of the orphans and widows, as well as contribute positively to humanity at large. It's also my desire to work with others for greater performance and achievement of developmental objective at all levels. I am born a humanitarian with a vision of world where young women are all positioned in the society and unprivileged persons achieve their potentials for the greater good of the society. I love learning and meeting new people. I look forward to connecting with you. Let me remove connecting with you.
Okay, now this one is fine.
Okay.
But the discussion
Of
has
what
to
I
be,
want to.
it has to be a bit about you and what you are doing
Okay,
on this
that was
channel.
what I wanted to. Okay, let me just remove all of these then.
Just that, like you said on
And the
this
first,
skinny.
yes. And that was why you
Gloria
said I asked
Official,
you. You now
welcome.
said I should put what I want, what I'm doing. I'll just put this. I am Jai Jurete, mass communication by academic profession.
Come on in to the K-Tunes Kitties TV land.
Sorry. What's the name of the TV again?
I'm not even created it. K-Tunes Kitties TV.
Hey kids, come on in to the K-Tunes
Hana ka was here.
And
Ka was here.
hey, download. Stock.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. Well done.
So